Hi folks, in this video we are going to show you how the Sentinel Hub plugin can be installed, and how you can work with this plugin in the best way and display and download your images. This useful plugin gives you so many options that allows you to directly access Copernicus satellite imagery in QGIS, enabling exploration, customization and image download. Okay, to get started, we should go to the plugin section of the QGIS. To reach this section, go to the Plugin tab, then click on Manage and Install Plugins. In the open window, from the left side click on the All section to access all the available plugins of QGIS. From the search bar, search for Sentinel. Find the Sentinel Hub plugin among the results. By clicking on the plugin you can see a brief and thorough explanation about the plugin on the right side. Click on Install Plugin. After installing the plugin, its icon will appear both in Plugins section and in QGIS. Click on the plugin icon. The Sentinel Hub plugin window will display for you. We need to create an OAuth client. To create it, a link has been placed by default. Click on it or copy it to your browser. On the displayed website, you can see additional details for registration and application. In the authentication section, click on Account Settings. It looks like a link. When you click on Account Settings, you will enter another page where you need to register. Fill the required items. After creating your account, you enter this section. In this section you can create OAuth clients. Click on Create Client option. And set a client name. Then click on Create Client option again. A password called your secret will be created for you, which will be accessible once. You'd better save it in a suitable place to access it. Copy and paste the password in the client server section. Copy the generated ID again and paste it in the client ID field. And click on the Login option. The Login Successful message appears on the top of the map. Then we go to the second tab, which is Create tab. Log in to the website again. Go to Configuration Utility from the left side. We should create a new configuration. Write a name for the configuration. And set the Create configuration based on the offering options. Then create configuration. Here the configuration has been created for you and you can see the list of configurations that were selected based on the Sentinel-2 image. Go to Login section. And click on the Login option again. Go to the Create section again. Click on the Configuration option. It displays the list of all the configurations you have. Go to your interest area. Since our area mostly includes agricultural areas, we select the agriculture layer. In the next section, we set the time range. You can specify the amount of cloud cover to show you images with less cloud cover. Here, by reducing the percentage of cloud coverage, the number of images also decreased. By clicking on the Create option, the image will be displayed. You can also display the images from different dates. You can choose different types of layers available for Sentinel-2 image. And these layers will be displayed for you easily and in much less time. Moisture index. NDVI index. You can activate other types of configurations as well. Sentinel-1. Log in here again. And in the configuration section, select Sentinel-1 option. Here are the layers related to the Sentinel-1 radar image. You can easily display it by selecting each one. One of the features of this plugin is to compare different types of outputs. You can easily compare all the images shown here. You can even compare the images in a time series and see the changes that have occurred. Here, the bright areas represent the building, which, by comparing the two images, shows that several new buildings have been created. And finally, you can export the images in different formats. Do the output settings like this. Specify a save path. And finally select the download option. Another configuration is the image of Sentinel-5 that we intend to display. In this way, we repeat the previous steps and display these images.